Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today we're talking about a name that screams luxury, style, and elegance. Hermès. But are you pronouncing it the right way? Let's find out. So, how do you say it? Correct pronunciation is Hermès. Let's break it down, step by step. First, her rhymes with fur. Then mes, which rhymes with fez. Now say it with me, Hermès. One more time, Hermès. Beautiful. So, what is Hermès? Hermès is a legendary French luxury brand known for its iconic Birkin bags, silk scarves, perfumes, and fashion. The brand represents elegance, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. Did you know? Hermès was founded in 1837 by Thierry Hermès as a harness workshop in Paris. Started by making harnesses and saddles for horses. Over time, it evolved into one of the most exclusive fashion houses in the world. A lot of people say it wrong, like Hermes or Hermès. But now you know, it's Hermès. Simple, smooth, and très chic. Now that you know how to pronounce Hermès, you can speak about luxury with confidence and class. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who loves fashion and fine things. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.